Now at 7, a vaccine boost. President Biden says more doses of the coronavirus vaccine will be distributed across the country starting next week. President Biden says the U.S. could be on its way to vaccinating 300 million Americans by the fall.
The president also continues to work with governors and members of Congress on his coronavirus relief agenda, though Senate Democrats are now threatening to pass a bill without Republican support. CBS 4's Natalie Brand is at the White House with more for us. Natalie.
And Elliot, Lauren, let's start with what the president said this evening, promising to increase vaccine supply to states, territories and tribes starting next week, and also to increase transparency to governors, providing a 3-week supply forecast to help better plan.
President Biden is revealing more details about how he'll expand vaccine distribution.
We will both increase the supply in the short term by more than 15% and give our states and local partners more certainty about when the deliveries will arrive.
The administration says it will purchase 200 million more doses.
We expect these additional 200 million doses to be delivered this summer, and that increases the total vaccine order in the United States by 50%. From 400 million order to 600 million.
Vice President Kamala Harris received her second dose of the Moderna vaccine at the National Institutes of Health today.
The work that happens here has one goal: to improve public health.
The White House press secretary says the president and administration officials are also continuing to work with members of Congress on his $1.9 trillion economic relief plan.
But with Senate Republicans questioning the price tag.
Many of us have said for a long time that anything that we do related to the coronavirus needs to be targeted. It needs to be fiscally responsible.
The Democratic Senate Majority Leader is now threatening to go it alone.
The work must move forward, preferably with our Republican colleagues, but without them if we must.
Back here at the White House, the president tonight notably did not repeat his statement from Monday about predicting that spring could be a timetable for anyone who wants a vaccine to get one, or the 150 million vaccine estimate in his first 100 days rather than the 100 million estimate. The White House press secretary was asked about that today and said that that was not a new goal for the administration, but rather a hope that they could exceed that 100 million vaccination target in the first 100 days. Lauren.
Natalie Brand live for us in Washington, D.C.